Hi everyone. If you are in the crypto world, you will be familiar with many crypto sites. But in this crypto world, Utopia comes with a different outlook. Technology and the internet have changed the way we interact. It has completely revolutionized communication to the extent that it is now the preferred medium of everyday communication and thus changing the entire course of our existence. In everything we do, one way or the other, we rely on technology and the internet. There is no one without the other. Despite all the positive brought on by advancement in technology and the internet, the issue of, or rather on privacy, is constantly hanging in the air. It is irrefutable that we live in a world of total surveillance, where a lack of privacy is a norm and confidentiality is a thing of the past. As a result, people are continuously becoming extremely concerned about their privacy. The sensitivity of privacy can be attributed to the inavailability of authorities to clearly define where the fine lines lay. Consumers' oblivion. However, don't be worried as not all hope is lost. Utopia is here to help tackle all these issues and assert peace and trust. Utopia is a decentralized peer-to-peer network. With Utopia, you can send instant text and voice messages, transfer files, create group chats and channels, send emails, and conduct a private discussion. Currently, Utopia is an application for Windows, iOS, and Linux, which offers all the features within one application. The platform has been built out of fundamental respect for and protection of individual freedom and liberty online, and is designed to eliminate surveillance and censorship. Its goal is to ensure that financial transactions, user data, and personal communications are kept strictly confidential. Comprising of a group of technology enthusiasts dedicated to freedom of self-expression and privacy. These enthusiasts come from diverse professional backgrounds, such as techs, cryptographic, software and networking engineers, etc., whereby these individuals have invested more than 5 years in the development of Utopia. Utopia is unique and the first of its kind in the market to deliver on its promises. The promises of freedom of speech, anonymity, confidentiality, and security of the location and personal data. At this point, you are probably wondering to what does Utopia owe its glory? The platform is specially and creatively designed on the behalf that privacy is paramount. With Utopia, there is no central server present or involved in data transmission or storage. Utopia guarantees and assures you that your information will not be stored on third-party servers. All data and communication are encrypted. Also, using Utopia, you can send personal messages across various mediums, email, social media, etc. Share files, facilitate transaction denominated in your own Utopia cryptocurrency, the Krypton. That's not all. What's not to like about earning money? You earn Kryptons while using Utopia. Utopia's decentralized network is a powerful system that provides equal opportunity for blockchain community, crypto market, security experts, the entire internet community. Nowadays, there should not be compromise to anonymity and privacy on the internet. Utopia is the answer, the solution to the protecting your privacy online. Thanks to its revolution, peer-to-peer ecosystem. As for its use, it is extremely simple. You only have to open the software after you have downloaded it, and it will guide you through every step. Total surveillance, information flow control, and official deceptions spearheaded by centralized platforms are exactly what Utopia is intended to prevent. So, why are you late? Keep safe your data and start to earn money. Thank you everyone.